Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of Bal Sadhana Senior Secondary School, Toddi, Guddagorji. Yesterday we read about the binary operation. It means definition of binary operation and denoted by binary operation and types of a binary operation. And today we will read about the exercise 1.3. Let's start the question 3. Question 3. If star be an operation on Z defined as A star B equal A plus B plus 1 for all A B belongs to Z. Then prove that star is commutative and associative. Find its identity elements. Also find inverse element of any integer in a Z. First, commutativity. Definition of commutativity: let A B belongs to Z implies A star B is equal to B star A for all A B belongs to Z. Z, it means integer number. Left side, LHS is equal to A star B. A star B. According to question, A star B is equal to A plus B plus 1. It means A plus B plus 1. Okay. And RHS is equal to B star A. According to question, A star B, B star A. It means A is equal to B and B equal to A. B plus A plus 1 is equal to B plus A. It means A plus B are the same plus 1. RHS. Hence, LHS is equal to RHS. So, star operation is commutative. LHS is equal to RHS. So, star operation is commutative. But left not equally right. So, star operation is not commutative. Okay. Second, associative. Associative, let element A, B, C belongs to Z integer. Definition of associative implies A star B star C is equal to A star B star C for all A B C belongs to Z. Left is equal to A star B star C. Solve the bracket B star C. B star C element B and C operate the binary operation. Two elements B and C. B star C and A star B is equal to A plus B plus 1 is equal to B star C according to question A star B. A equal to B and B equal to C. A equal B and B equal C. A star same to same, B star C, it means B plus C plus 1. Again A, according to question A equal A and B equal B plus C plus 1. It means A plus B plus C plus 1 plus 1 is equal to A plus B plus C plus 2 LHS. Again, right hand side, A star B star C. Solve the bracket A star B. According to question, A star B is equal to A plus B plus 1. It means A star B are the same, A star B and A star B. A plus B plus 1 star C same to same is equal to, again A plus B plus 1, it means value of A, and star C, it means value of B. A is equal to A plus B plus 1 and B is equal to C. Apply formula A plus B, it means A plus B plus 1 plus B, it means B is equal to C plus 1 is equal to A plus B plus C 1 1 2. Right hand side, hence LHS is equal to RHS. So star operation is associate. Otherwise star operation is not associate, then left not equally right. Okay. Third, identity element. If E is an identity element, then according to definition, if E is an identity element, then according to definition, identity element implies A star E is equal to A. A star E according to question, A star B is equal to A plus B plus 1. A is equal to A, star E is equal to B. It means A plus E plus 1 is equal to A. Implies A cancel out, E is equal to minus 1. Hence minus 1 belongs to Z is identity element. Identity element equal to minus 1. Minus 1 belongs to Z. Z, it means integer, positive, negative and 0. And fourth step, inverse element. Let X be the inverse element of A, then according to definition, definition of inverse element implies A star x is equal to E. E identity element and x inverse element of A implies, according to question, A star B is equal to A plus B plus 1. A is equal to A and value x, B is equal to x. A star x and A star B, A equal to A and B equal to x. According to question, A plus x plus 1 is equal to A implies A plus x plus 1 is equal to E. E identity element. Identity element E is equal to minus 1 implies x is equal to minus A minus 1 minus 1. X is equal to minus A plus 2. So, inverse element x is equal to minus A minus A plus 2. That is the answer. Question number 3 complete, and question 3, 4 and 5 are the same. The next exercise, miscellaneous. Miscellaneous exercise first, and question number first. If f from R to R, if f from R to R, fx is equal to 2x minus 3, g from R to R, and gx is equal to x cube plus 3. Then the value of log inverse over x. Now solution. Before log over x is equal to log over x, it means f over gx is equal to gx x cube plus 5, f over x cube plus 5 is equal to f over x cube plus 5. Function fx equal to 2x minus 1. It means x is equal to x cube plus 5. Putting the value of x cube plus 5 of fx, 2 into x cube plus 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 into x cube minus plus 2 into 5, 10 minus 3 is equal to 2x cube plus 7. So, f of g over x. Find the value of fog inverse over x. Implies therefore x fog over x is equal to y. Implies x is equal to fog inverse over y. Fog over x is equal to 2x plus 2x cube plus 7. Putting the value of 2x cube plus 7, 2x cube plus 7 is equal to y. Find the value of x. 2x cube is equal to y minus 7, implies x cube is equal to y minus 7 by 2, implies x is equal to y minus 7 by 2 power 1 by 3, implies x is equal to fog inverse over y. Fog inverse over y is equal to y minus 7 by 2 power 1 by 3. So fog inverse over x is equal to, changing the variable of y, x minus 7 by 2 power 1 by 3. That is answer. Function f and function g. Find the value of fog inverse over x. Before fog over x and fog inverse over x. Okay. Next question. If fx is equal to x upon 1 minus x is equal to 1 upon y, then the value of f over y. Given that fx is equal to x upon 1 minus x is equal to 1 upon y, implies fx is equal to x upon 1 minus x and fy is equal to x is equal to y. It means y upon 1 minus y, equation first. Hence x upon 1 minus x is equal to 1 upon y. Find the value of y. X upon 1 minus x is equal to 1 upon x. X upon 1 minus x is equal to 1 upon x. Find the value of y. Implies cross multiply. Xy is equal to 1 minus x, implies y is equal to 1 minus x upon x. Putting the value of y in equation first. From equation first, putting the value of y in equation first. From equation first, f over y is equal to 1 minus x by x upon 1 minus x upon x. 1 by 1 implies fy is equal to 1 minus x by x upon LCM x 1 divided x into 1 x minus x divided x 1 multiply 1 minus x, it means 1 minus x minus plus x cancel is equal to 1 minus x upon x 2x minus 1 f over y. That is answer. Okay. Next question. Question third. If fx is equal to x minus 3 by x plus 1, then f over fx is equal to fx is equal to x minus 3 by x plus 1. Then find the value of f over fx. Solution. Now f over fx is equal to fx. Putting the value of fx is equal to x minus 3 upon x plus 1. F over x minus 3 by x plus 1. X minus 3 by x plus 1 operate the function f. It means fx. And f over x minus 3 by x plus 1. It means x is equal to x minus 3 by x plus 1. Putting the value of function fx again. F over x minus 3 by x plus 1 minus 3 upon में x minus 3 by x plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 by 1 and 1 by 1. LCM x plus 1 and LCM x plus 1. X plus 1 x minus 3 minus 3 into x plus 1 by x minus 3 plus x plus 1 upon में x plus 1. F over x plus 1 cancel out. It means f over minus 3 x minus 3 minus 3x minus 3 upon में x 2x minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 is equal to f over minus 4x plus by 2x minus 2 is equal to 2 minus 2 common by 2 से 2 cancel out. F over x minus x minus 3 by x minus 1 is equal to f over x plus 3 upon 1 minus x. Again f over x plus 3 upon 1 minus x and fx is equal to x minus 3 by x plus 1. Putting the value of function fx again f over x plus 3 by 1 minus x minus 3 by x plus 3 upon 1 minus x plus 1. 3 by 1 1 by 1 is equal to LCM 1 minus x plus 3 minus 3 into 1 minus x upon में LCM 1 minus x and x plus 3 plus 1 minus x is equal to LCM cancel out. X plus 3 minus 3 plus 3x by x cancel out 3 plus 1 4 and 3 cancel out 3x plus x 4x by 4 and 4 cancel out is equal to x implies f over fx. That is the answer. Next question, fourth. If fx is equal to cos of log x, then fx into fy minus 1 by 2 over f over x by y plus f over x into y is equal to. Solution. Given that fx equal to cos log x and fy is equal to cos of log y, x and y. Again f over x upon y is equal to cos over log x upon y. Log x upon y, property of logarithm, is equal to cos log m upon n is equal to log m minus log n, and f over x into y is equal to cos over log xy. Property of log x. Log x into y. Log x into y is equal to log x into y, log x plus log y. Okay. Therefore fx into fy minus 1 by 2 f over x upon y plus का f over x into y is equal to fx into fy cos over log x into fy cos over log y minus half f over x upon y cos over log x minus log y plus f over x into y cos over log x plus log y. Okay, is equal to, apply the formula cos a minus b plus cos a plus b. Cos a minus b plus cos a plus b is equal to 2 cos a into cos b is equal to cos log x into cos log y minus half cos a log x cos b log y cos over log x into cos over log y. 2 cancel out is equal to cos over log x into cos over log y minus cos over log x into cos over log y. Same cancel out is equal to 0. That is the answer. Exercise last question. Last question of miscellaneous exercise, question number 16. If f from R to R and g from R to R such that fx is equal to 3x plus 4 and gx is equal to x minus 4 by 3, then find fog over x and gof over x. Fog over x is equal to gof over x is equal to GOG over 1. Okay, solution. Now fog over x, it means f over gx, putting the value of function fx gx is equal to f over gx x minus 4 by 3 is equal to f over x minus 4 by 3 and function fx equal to 3x plus 4. It means x is equal to x minus 4 by 3. Putting the value of function fx 3 into x minus 4 by 3 plus 4, 3 cancel out, and x minus 4 plus 4 cancel out is equal to x. So fog over x is equal to x. Again gof over x, it means g over fx. fx equal to 3x plus 1, putting the value of function fx g over 3x plus 4. G over 3x plus 4 and gx equal to x minus 4 by 3, x is equal to 3x plus 4, putting the value of function gx 3x plus 4 minus 4 by 3, 4 cancel out is equal to 3x by 3 cancel out is equal to x. Go for x, that is answer. So fog and gof are the same value over x. Again GOG over 1, before GOG over x is equal to g over gx. It means gx is equal to x minus 4 by 3. Putting the value of gx g over x minus 4 by 3 and putting the value of g over x minus 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3 implies GOG over x is equal to 4 by 1 LCM 3 and x minus 4 minus k 12 by 3 by 1 is equal to x minus 4 minus 12 by 9 is equal to x minus 4 16 by 9 implies GOG over x. Implies GOG over x is equal to x minus 16 by 9 and find the value of GOG over 1. X is equal to 1 minus 16 by 9 is equal to minus k 15 by 9 is equal to minus k 5 by 3. That is the answer. Exercise 1 complete. If you have any doubt, then write your comment box, and remaining part of this chapter we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.